Hi viewers, so today we will be drawing this object. The units are in millimeter. So for that we have already opened this AutoCAD ISO 3D file. Now let us go to front view. First we will draw this rectangle and then we will extrude it to give it the width of 50 mm. So click on rectangle, click over here. Now turn on LWT. This way give the dimensions as 175 tab 9. Enter. Now visualize this object in the northeast isometric view. So in this view we can see this object now. Now click on press pull, bring the cursor over here, click and give the thickness of 50 mm. 50, enter. Click on view, click on 3D views, click on plane view and current UCS. Now click on southwest isometric view. So here in the front view we will draw these objects. So for that click on front view now. Click on this line icon. Click on this middle point, move in the upward direction and give the value of 28, enter. Press enter again. Now click on circle, click on this end point and give the diameter of D, enter. 25, enter. Press enter again, bring the cursor over this end point, click and then give the diameter of 50, enter. Now let us click on this line icon, click on this end point, bring the cursor in the negative direction and write -32, enter. So it has taken that point. Now we have to click on this tangent point, click, press enter. Now we have to fillet this edge. For that click on fillet icon, radius is 0 so R, enter, and here the radius is given as 9 so 9, enter. Click on this line and click on this line. Now we can see that this edge has been rounded or filleted. Again click on these two objects and mirror them. So click on mirror, click on this point and this point, erase source object, no, enter. Delete this line, this initial line actually, press delete. Now we have to remove this line. So now we have to create region. So click on region icon, click on this circle, click on this circle, press enter. Now we have to subtract this smaller circle from this larger circle area. So for that press escape now, click on subtract icon, select the larger circle area, press enter, then select the smaller circle area, press enter again. Now we have to create again another circle. So click on circle, click on this center, move the cursor in this direction and click again. Now we have to use trim. So TR, enter, enter, and click on this region. So now we can see that this acts like another area. So press escape. Now click on this line icon, zoom in, find the end point of this arc, click and click on the end point of the other arc, click, press enter. Now let us remove the plane area and the 3D object as well. So click on the 3D object, click on this planed area, click on move, select any point and move them towards this side. Now remove this rectangle as well, so press delete. Now let us visualize if there is any discrepancy. If there isn't any, then we can use region command. So click on region, select all these objects, 6 found. Now press enter, and now we can see that a region has been created. Select these two objects, click on move, select this midpoint, and then click on this midpoint as well. So the objects are rightly placed. Now click on this southwest isometric view. So now click on this extrude icon, click on this object and press enter, and give it the thickness of 12, enter. Similarly, click on this extrude icon again, click on this object, press enter, and in the same direction give it the value of 9, enter. Now we have to union them, so click on union icon, click on this circular object, click on this object, press enter. Now they have been joined. Now use orbit to visualize this object and place it at its correct position. Now click on this move icon, select this object, press enter. Now click on this midpoint of this edge and place it over midpoint of this edge. Now let's visualize it in the top view, front view, and the right side view. So the object is rightly placed. Now we have to mirror this object across this axis, which passes through the midpoint of this surface. So let us draw a line. Click on line, select this midpoint, and then select the other midpoint. Press escape. Now we want to mirror this object to this side. For that we will use top view, and now we can select this object, click on mirror, select this point, then this point, erase source object no, press enter, and now we can see that the object has been mirrored. Remove this line, press delete. Now what we have to do is to draw these circles. Let us select the southwest isometric view, and now because top view has been selected in the UCS2 option, so now click on circle, bring the cursor over this midpoint, move in the negative direction and write -16. Now it has taken the center of the circle, and right now give the diameter as 12. So D, enter, 12, enter. Now we want to mirror this object, so click on top view, select this circle, click on mirror icon, select this point, then this point, erase source object no, press enter. So both these objects have been mirrored. Now click on southwest isometric view. Now click on press pull, bring the cursor inside this circle, click and move the cursor this way and click. Again click on press pull, bring the cursor over to this circle, click and move in this downward direction and click again. And now if you can zoom it, we can see that the holes have been generated over here. So the object has been drawn correctly. We want to union each component, so click on union icon, select this object, and this object, press enter. Now click on this 3D hidden visual style, write LA, enter, select the color to be white, click on OK, select the line weight to be 0.3, click on OK, and then click on OK again. So now this is the southwest isometric view. Now if you want to give color to this object, we can just click over here and choose the color by the first box of the property menu, and here we can select red or whatever we want to. So in order to visualize, we have to click on this conceptual visual style, and now the color has been given to this object. Click on orbit, and now we can visualize how this object will look like. You can just double click and change the color from this property menu as well. So click on green, and the object will be colored accordingly. Now click on this close option, click on orbit, visualize the object. If it looks okay, then we can end this lecture. We will draw the center lines and these dimensions and dimension lines in another video. If you have any question or confusion in drawing this object, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.